Hey lovelies, I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing a little a quick get ready with me video. It's my boyfriend's birthday, 10/13. So we're going out to eat. I'm taking him out to dinner. So I did a quick beat. I already did my brows, my lashes is done. The lips I have on that's a lip liner stain with just like a little gloss. And I'm using my favorite concealer. If you don't watch my videos, my favorite concealer is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Caramel. And now I'm doing a little foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown foundation in the shade Neutral Almond. I believe is 080. I love this foundation because it's giving skin. It's not giving I just baked the cake, okay? So yeah, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch me. I'm not gonna really talk through because I do have go watch my recent videos, okay? But all right, and yeah, I'm gonna be showing y'all the fit, the restaurant, so stay tuned. So this is the finished look. We about to do the hair. I just took the pins out. I didn't brush it out, but let me show y'all the fit. hair and do the lip liner. So let's brush it out to see, do I need to touch it up? Let's do the lip and then go back to the hair because I need to do something with the hair because it's giving grandma, okay? So this is the NYX Line Loud in the shade, what is it? I should know it by heart because this is my favorite lip liner, Rebel Kind. It's their new lip liner collection and I love it. And then I got this as like a birthday gift from Sephora, the Makeup by Mario plumping lip serum in the shade Rosewood Glow. I love it. I love the texture of it. So that's the lip, and let me do the hair and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all like the bag. It's just, I'm wearing this necklace. I'm not really doing too much accessories. These are the earrings, and this is the bag, the Coach Kiss Lock bag. It matches the shoes. I'll show y'all. Yeah, so this is the fit. So I'll be right back. Let me fix the hair, y'all. Let me hurry up.